Very good. Okay, cheers, honey.
Yeah, Joe Moy.
Yeah, cho môi.
Well, a little vodka and that go a long ways.
Yeah. You see, guy? Wow. And nice place and like a Khmer house, you know, and also you see the flower like the riverside. Wow, I like that. This place and look cold. It's not hot for you come to and here like yeah to eat and Khmer food and style like the Khmer house. Yeah. Okay, go check yourself, guys, to looking like a menu with me. What help? Okay, let's go. Right now, and me and my husband and inside. So when I'm come here, and people working here very friendly. So you know this one keep for free.
Welcome drink.
Yeah, welcome drink and inside make like tea and honey and lemon. Yeah, for customer and come here but keep for free. Very good. Okay, cheers, honey.
Yeah, Joe Moy.
Yeah, cho môi.
Well, a little vodka and that go a long ways.
Yeah, very good. Wow.
And they give you a nice cool towel.
Yeah, nice
to, yeah.
and clean your hands.
Because Cambodia is so hot.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we just got the cocktails. I got the Long Island, and she got Grandma's secret mix. Wow.
Yeah.
That looks incredible.
You see, guys, how big, big color, and a style like this one. You see, coconut style. You see, wow, very big. Okay. I try for how strong. I never drink this before, never
a lot
ever.
of rum,
yeah.
a lot of vodka and gin.
Okay, I want to know strong and not strong and sweet. What temperature? Yeah. Very good, but for me, I'm woman is strong, you know. But maybe for men he okay because he likes strong. But for me, I like red wine, but I want to try everything about TukTuk. But it's okay, very good, guy. And temperature. Okay,
yeah.
cheers, honey.
Joe Moy, honey. This is Long Island. We'll see how they do.
Yeah.
Very good. Nice balanced mix. Not too strong, not too light, not too much soda.
Yeah.
So it's just a perfect balance.
So
Great.
me and my husband and order TukTuk to drink for, and like that because waiting for food, I order and Cambodian food like name and Cambodian food called like kho prahok. Order kho prahok and with the fish, with the fish and prahok with the pork and make together like the spicy, and also I order and like the chicken, and I make the chicken with the honey.
Oh, she ordered my favorite, but a hawk.
And also like chicken and with the honey, and you do like some barbecue, but smell very delicious. I will show you guys when the food already.
Let's take a tour real quick around, guys. Show you the grounds here. They've got multiple places to eat, and I apologize in advance. We forgot our microphone today, so we got to talk this way a little bit. We're going to try to do our best to manage this because this place is incredible. But just give you guys a quick gander downstairs when you first walk in here. If you guys can see, you have the really nice down. There's some large fans here, massive ceiling fans here. As you can tell, it's very much designed based on a temple. And of course there's that nice pond, and Alinda is waiting anxiously for us to go upstairs, so let's go follow her and see what she's got. Wow.
Look very nice. Okay, guys, you see guys, and down you see down and outside and a flower like an a river. For villa. Very nice place. I like that. Also it's not far from Pop Street, like 10 minutes come here, and near Watbo and a temple Watbo. It's not far. I like that. Wow, like romantic and amazing. Okay, let's go. I will show you around and the place. You see, for villa and eat the food and drink TukTuk. Very good. I like that. And this place like the style and Khmer house and Cambodia like original. Also, guys, okay, let's go to see inside. With me, let's go. Wow, it's nice. beautiful plain. Also you see in a style this one like yeah, and Cambodian call like plain donut like. I like that. But you see guys, this play for relax and with the family when you come with a friend. You see, look very clean. Yeah, beautiful. I like that. Next time I take Khmer people like Khmer, my friend, and then come to try and display and about the Khmer food. My friend is see like in the Khmer food. I hope and Turi and the Barang people like the Khmer food and like Prahok also like I eat and also like the chicken and fish. Okay guys, I will show you. Check yourself and yeah, looking around with me. Wow, so nice. Yeah, like original aircon. And also when I come here, I feel like this place is like my home. Yeah, because style everything and I like the Khmer home like old story before, you know. Wow, and amazing. I like that. You see, guys, and downstairs you see the flower. Yeah, yeah, beautiful. Now looking waiting for food, and already I will show you how on Khmer food how to like. Let's go.
One of the things I love about Cambodia is all the beautiful flowers. Look at some of these lilies here, guys, in this pond here. Different colors. Let's take a walk over here and see what's over here. The temple group's known for all of their nostalgia, their museum pieces like old motos, Vespas, radios from the 80s, the cool stuff. Check this out, guys. This is Tamos. If you guys ever own one of those, leave it in the comment description down below. Let us know what year you own that, all right? We want to know. I want to take a quick minute, guys, to say, check out Linda's Siem Reap Safaris. Links down below right now for you. If you guys come to Cambodia, you want a personalized, exotic, one-of-a-kind experience, check out Linda's Siem Reap Safaris. Linda will take you on a personal tour. I'll do a lot of the things we do in our videos. A lot of you have had requested for that, and a lot of you have already booked, and we're really grateful for that. Also, don't forget to check out Facebook, Mahoney Travels, for daily updates on Mike and Linda. So yeah, let's get back to the video. So I smelled a food. I think Linda's getting ready to eat, so I better get back. This is the original Khmer style, guys. So they get the whole bird. This is Cambodia chicken too, so they're a little small, you know, but look at this, beautiful.
Okay guys, you see? Wow, smell very delicious. I want to show you guys, yeah, and how delicious now try. And outside like you see? Yeah, with honey and do like make barbecue. Wow, I like that. Okay, open right now. I like and do in a hand, but don't say I'm like Indian. No, and my people can eat like that also.
Saves the dishwashing.
Yeah, because people when see like eat from a hand like that, people think from Indian, like style Indian, but a Cambodian can do that also. You see, guys? Wow. Oh, one we want to eat now. Today I'm very big mouth with yeah spicy. Yeah. Okay. You see? Sorry for make you hungry. Like that.
If you guys like the video, help out the algorithm, hit a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, man, we'd appreciate it. We're a growing channel very, very fast, and we love Cambodia. We're passionate about the people and the places. We want everybody to come and check it out. We just want to show the whole world about how amazing this place is. So like the video, leave us a comment. We want to hear from you guys. Let us know what you think. Is Linda doing a good job? Is Mahoney doing a good job? Or how's the food? Are you guys hungry for it? Let us know. Have you tried Khmer food? Just let us know whatever your thoughts are. We'd love to hear. All right, everybody. I'm going to give the chicken a try here. The other leg. We got 2 legs, one for Linda, one for me. So let's dip in and see. Love the spicy. It's not as probably as good as Linda's Whip My Ass homemade spicy. If you don't got a t-shirt yet, we'll leave a link below for you. Wow. Very, very good. You can taste the Khmer flavors and the spicy. Oh my God, dude. Chef's kiss. Delicious. I love it. Very good. A little sweetness from the honey. And we got some little tendons there. But yeah, we're good.
So now I eat the food and already and yeah, and Khmer food and chicken already something. Now and this place yeah, the people keep me yeah, and so sweet. This one Cambodia call like bang am some dai. Yeah, but I don't know how to say in English. I show you guys. Yeah, like this one with coconut and sugar. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Also on chilies. Yeah. See.
Oh.
Wow, tonight I'm good sleep, power a lot, you know.
I haven't tried this before, so this is gonna be a first for me. We are going. Mahoney Travels here. We're gonna give it a try. I try everything once. You know, if you don't like, then okay. So I'm gonna give the camera to Linda, let her film. What is this called again?
Bang Ang Sadaik.
Bang Ang Sadaik.
Yeah.
Bang Ang Sadaik. Here we go. I'm not a coconut guy, so.
Yeah, with the sugar, coconut.
We got a chaser in case I need it. I don't know. We'll see. It's got a texture of like oatmeal, like in America, or like maybe other kind of like porridge, like an oatmeal, like yeah, Quaker Oats kind of stuff, you know. But let's see. It's all right. It's not my favorite. I'm still gonna be a hot fudge ice cream sundae kind of guy, but
very good, right?
yeah, it's not bad. It's warm, so I think this would be good like in the Midwest in America, like if you were like in the snow or something. It's like a sweet porridge, almost like an oatmeal, but it's got like some green beans or something in it. I don't know what's in it. Like I said, it's she said, would you say, honey, coconut?
People make like the sugar and coconut and sandai kill. And make together like the ball sandai like yeah.
I got
And but couple people say like bang am sandai kill, but I don't know how to say English. I'm say sorry for about that because my English like not enough.
It's Cambodian dish stuff.
Yeah, Cambodian style like original like bang am. When you eat the food already, you eat this one later. And make you like feeling good and power will and good sleep for tonight.
Good sleep. Oh. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna finish up this dessert and see how it goes here, because maybe, like Linda says, I'll sleep good tonight. Check out this fancy bathroom. It's an all-in-one. I like the little added touch they have in the men's room and the stand-ups. They've got like little lemon peels or lemon slices for fresh aroma. I mean, how cool is that? They think of everything here. Yeah, it's just impressive. This is a brand new restaurant, all right, about 3 months old. So if you guys are coming to Siem Reap and you guys want a really nice evening, this is a great place to check out. I mean, just look at the beautiful flower garden they got here. They've got a lot of private dining options here, guys, too. When you get here, if you guys want some private VIP air-conditioned areas there, they do have options for an elevated price, but it's Cambodia, so it's still cheaper than the home country. So if you guys have a large group and you guys want to gather here, by all means, ask ahead of time, and they will be happy to assist you. They do have facilities available for larger groups, so. If you guys have made it this far in the video, leave a smiley face emoji and let us know that you got this far. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Give it a thumbs up, and we want to hear from you guys. Leave a comment. Also, we got links down below. If you want to support the channel, check out the links below because it really supports us. And yeah, until next time, guys, safe travels from Mahoney Travels. We'll see you guys in the next video.